You just left a 1-hour Zoom call. Now you have to write meeting notes, find that Slack decision, and draft a follow-up. Wouldn't it be great if an assistant already did all that? Littlebird AI says it does exactly that. Littlebird AI positions itself as the assistant that already knows your work. According to Littlebird.ai, the tool learns from your screen and your meetings, so every answer is grounded in what you're actually doing. No endless setup or manual context. Once you install it on Mac or Windows, it starts working immediately, without integrations. Though you can optionally connect over 90 apps like Notion, Jira, Google Drive, or Calendly for deeper access. The core idea is simple. Littlebird sees the active window on your computer, never minimized apps, private browser tabs, or passwords, and reads text and elements from that window. There are 3 subscription tiers for Littlebird. The free basic plan offers full context from day one, along with limited daily chats, active routines, meeting notes in over 10 languages, web search, quick access, mobile chat, calendar and email integration, instant cross-app search, community support and privacy protection, while the Plus plan at $17 per month annually or $20 monthly builds on that with advanced intelligence, enhanced memory, and personalization, additional chats and routines, unlimited meeting notes, image generation, max intelligence for complex tasks and priority support. And the Pro plan, starting from $100 per month, delivers the full experience including 5x or 12x more usage, auto-detect language and notes, premium image generation, higher intelligence limits, and early access to new features. Thanks for watching, and see you later.